super glue. She's probably like just coming up.
When are you gonna do it to me again?
Tomorrow.
Wow, Mama. This is so baby. This is so But tomorrow, are we going school shopping?
I wish I could just put this like that. Also, I wish he would just sit.
So cute still.
I know, right? He's still cute. He's still adorable. What? Oh, Duma, you recording?
No.
Stop playing around with Duma. I did not bring you here for fun and games.
But you're not gonna glue that on. It's gonna ruin the sock.
No, probably glue this part. Let me see. No, I'm using a pin. I'm pinning this little shoe socks thingy. It looks so cute.
Mama.
OMG. Move these over. OMG. Be for real. Pinterest, like, duh. And it wasn't even that bad to make, honestly. I just used some bunch of like super glue and all was well. Can I get my phone? She's probably like just coming up.
Should we stand like on the sides of the table?
Yeah, we'll stand like this right now. Oh, it looks so pretty. The girls did so good.
Like, wait,
Like, OMG.
she didn't get it, but like, no, what would she get? Like, I don't know.
OMG.
I'm gonna count down to 3, okay? Okay. Stop.
Surprise!
I did. Come on, arts and crafts. So we love to see
So
it.
cute. Oh my gosh, I don't want to undo it.
You can take the stuff out. It's just that part, yeah.
Okay, we got some onesies. Cute. Oh, this is so perfect. It's like super tiny.
I love when like the babies are newborn and every minute is a new outfit.
Yeah. Nice blanket.
The theme was fun. Did you see it?
Oh no.
Oh, it's okay. You could just hot glue it. I just use hot glue. It will not.
It's falling apart everywhere. Okay. And then like a lounge set.
Yeah, it's like
Pajamas?
it's very comfortable when it's time to breastfeed. Trust me.
I think it's attached to here. It's not attached, right?
No. Got accidentally hurt. Yeah, I think so.
There, so cute.
Very cute.
Loungewear, love. Some masks.
I wanted to focus on you. I knew everybody
you,
else
I
was
love
gonna do
that.
something for the baby. Okay.
Exfoliators and scrub. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, girl. I messed up.
No, it's okay. You seen it. That was the point. I was about to forget.
Is that everything? No, there's one more back. I don't want to exclude.